In the Indian smartphone market, the most competitive segment is the 10,000 to 20,000 rupees segment, because in that segment many manufacturers release their smartphones and try to make their smartphones as competitive as possible. Poco F1 initially launched for a price of 21,000 rupees and was a huge hit even at that price. Later the price cut happened and it started selling around 20,000 rupees. Well, seems like there is another price cut for the Poco F1 before the launch of Redmi K20 Pro and the Redmi K20. So, is it worth this price? Let's find out in this video. You're watching Tech Infinity and I'm Akash. So first of all, talking about the price cut, the Poco F1 has received this price cut for the 6GB and 64GB RAM variant, which is available only for 18,000 rupees right now. The new price is reflecting on me.com and Flipkart as well. I'll be leaving the links to buy this device down in the description below. Moving on, the price of the 6GB plus 128GB internal storage smartphone is 21,000 rupees, down from its earlier price of 23,000 rupees. The Poco F1 has several great features which made it a huge hit in the smartphone segment. The phone is also offered in steel blue, graphite black and rosso red colors. Talking about the looks, this device isn't really exceptional in terms of looks and it has a huge notch. But it isn't bad looking either. The build quality is very good, it is strong and a durable device. It has several features as well, like the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, as well as going up to storage variant of 256GB, which is offered currently at a price of 28,000 rupees. It also has the 8GB RAM on the highest storage variant. Moving on, it has a 6.18-inch Full HD Plus display with 500 nits peak brightness. As I already mentioned, it is available in 3 storage segments and RAM variants, that is 664, 6128 and 8256. On the back it has a dual camera setup on the back with 12MP Sony IMX363 and a 5MP sensor. On the front the company has included a great 20MP camera with HDR. Poco F1 comes with a special version of MIUI called MIUI for Poco based on Android 9 Pie. There is a dedicated Poco launcher centered around app drawer and customizations. Additionally, the phone comes with a mammoth 4000 mAh battery with quick charge 3.0 support, which is great to see, and you get great battery life with this much battery capacity. It supports a microSD card slot and also supports 4G LTE. So in my opinion, in this price segment, this is one of the best devices that you can buy right now. And if you are a gamer like me and you love to play PUBG and other high-end games like Asphalt 9, I would definitely recommend going for this device instead of any other device. Because even on a play which comes around 15,000 rupees may have some pros over this particular phone, but in terms of the performance, no smartphone can beat it under 20,000 rupees. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.